Oh, dang, bridge is closed. There's only one thing we gotta do. Get the shot. Jettrails all over the place. People don't believe me. It's right in their face. Alright, I gotta go down to this woods here from another angle. Yep. See you in a little bit. Well, we're here down in Jettrail Valley. You can see all the jet trails. I can hear them too. I hear that one right there. Oh, dang, that made me dizzy. Check it out. Zoom it. Alright. Scoundrel right up there. We'll be back in a few moments. Let's see if I can get this one here. You can hear that? See if I can zoom it a little bit more. Yeah. Oh, that sidewinder right there. Oh, he turned sidewinder. That's an official sidewinder right there. You can see that. All right, we gotta go see if we got more. This sounds like a kingfisher. We got these here. We got one right off about here. All right, see what kind of mischief this one's doing here. He's been out of shape. Hold on. Sidewinder. Alright, I got some stuff to do here. Hold on, I'll be back. Well, I had to turn the camera back on. Look, as soon as this thing went through here, it's not even done going through. Look how much swell we have here. See, isn't that swell? It's all that water absorption into the dust particle, soot, fuel, nuclei. That's what it is. That's why you have all this moisture being absorbed. Now get some cloud seeding going so you can make it rain here. We're in a drought, idiots. Alright, Professor DK and Associates got to do a better job than this. And David Keith. Slippery Bill, Man, his hands, Gates, they're all included. You got a sundog just starting to barely happen where that little jet trail is. If I have it in there. Just started, but anyway, we gotta go do something right now. We'll be back. We're going into the woods. I'm gonna see if I can get some woodier mushrooms up in here. That is one thing that I can usually get in the winter time, besides jet trails. Expanding glueds. Let's go. Cross over here carefully. See you when we get there. Wow. Nice. All right. DK. Jeez. Go away, DK. DK and Associates, Professor DK and Associates again. Can't leave me alone. This is just too beautiful with the sun shining on the logs. Yes. jeez, this damn branch got a knob on it. Hey, jeez. Stab me in my thigh right here. That's what you gotta look out for, right? No big deal. No big deal. Look where we're at. Jeez. I didn't know this was going to turn into a nature video, but here we are. There's another angle. Wow. It's magnificent. And we're going to go up in here and look for some wood here. Right back in here somewhere. We'll go get it. Right back in there. Yeah, right back there. I'll be back in a moment. What I found to be amazing when I first found this place, it's littered with logs because it's on an island. But I hardly found any mushrooms here except for the wood ears. Alright, here we go. I gotta get over these logs. But first, I'm gonna take another look at the creek because there's some beautiful edges here. Maybe we'll do a video drumming when we come back. Carefully, of course. Wow. Yeah, we did a drumming video up here during the drought. Right out below this tree. Wow. So supposedly it's 41 degrees today for a high. 39, 41. All right, see if there's any wood ear up here. I remember the first wood ear was on a little stump here, and then behind here they used to be on this tree. I'm going to go over to a branch on the other side. I think I can get them at with all this old mugwort right here. It's all mugwort. Alright, let's check the other bush that's more dependable. Yes. Well, I found the log that I was looking for. It has wood ear on them, but they're old and raggedy, dried. Some people rehydrate them. I want them fresh. They're on the log behind it as usual too, but I don't see any new growth. I'll check on the other side. Well, that's what I came for. See if there's any fresh ones on this side. Ooh, I thought this was all mugwort. It's not. It's mugwort and stickers. So, there's some down in here too. Oh, I see some under the snow here that might be. Got some decent sized knotweed here. Check it out. Let's see. Going over here. Yeah, there's some that fell right off. That's actually a fresh one. How about that? One. Well, we found the wood ear, and it's fresh. But I wanted to get about at least 30, 50, or 100 of them. Let's get it back up here. turn it around. And we found the wood ear in the snow. It was able to grow. Now if we could just find about 30 or 40 or 50 more, let's turn it around here. So set that down there. And there's some new growth coming up here. Look. There's another one. There's new growth. It's all old up here. Since we're here, we'll look at it. I'm barricaded in Japanese knotweed. Let's see, the wood ear was growing here good a while back. Are these new ones? These might be new. That might come up next week. Let's get a... Yeah, these are new. So in where we focused at? Right. These are definitely old. These are new. These will just come up in a few days if it stays warm enough. These are the old ones up here. Hey, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Get the sun shining behind me. Not too bad. These are a little newer too. There's some more. Appetizing, hey? Anyway, that's what you do. This isn't a really good bunch, so I'm not going to fuss over them. Okay. Well, got to see. These are very old here. Very old and dirty. I don't want those. Alright, well, we knew they're still growing at this location. But the other location at the other creek, they were really good. There we have it. Wood ear mushrooms in the snow.